down and Washington for the weekend. They get put up in hotels. Then they work double shifts like a death issue or something like that for an incredible month. And they import them for the weekend because they don't have enough money.
Everybody in! This is a pool party. Can you do it?
Oh, wait, don't mention it again.
Yeah, definitely.
I said to Howard,
We had supervisors in today, and the director.
well, they only told
Funny
me
thing was, I had to help the director.
My kids will like time off. An hour later, I'll say, okay, time to go. We're going to
Of course, that's one thing. I felt bad for her because she was really good for a long, long time.
The priority is put nurses on high-risk places or how do they do it? When they try to do nurses?
What race?
They're cut down the beds.
Based on what?
That's because of the first place. Sometimes they can't go. We have so many people that
Back and forth.
They live so many days or so many days.
What about Alzheimer's?
Just down there and
You can't get diagnosis, then you have to go somewhere else, of course. That's what they're doing. You got up now.
Bobby on the way.
You whacked up the balance of the chair.
Bobby. Hey, I'm trying again.
No, that's all right.
But it's nice because I can work when I want to.
I can do that then.
Go base! Get hit 4 times, you get a base. Run it out! Foul. How are we ruling that? He's in there.
Foul ball.
Ooh, I want to know why you were trying to tag him. I always thought it was a foul ball.
Good shot, Tim.
They have a mask with them. That's why they're called masks?
That used to be a cartoon show.
Oh, really? He had sneakers that said mask, but I didn't know what, I never saw the show. I just bought the sneakers that they were.
Kyle, send that over to Owen so we can throw the ball in it. Bring it. He's bringing it out.
Not that way!
Well, you two better take the first plane home. Owen is home.
Oh, don't push!
Owen. Ooh, you're holding up the line.
I have to wait for the net.
You get it. Where do you get that accent?
Oh, yeah, where you from? The
You
Bronx?
have to wait for the net.
Like that.
Right in that son of a gun. What?
What was that all about?
Come on, John, show us how it's done. All right, John.
Agony of defeat. Dive! Take it!
Easy, Owen. Owen, you gotta be careful.
What?
You have to be careful.
Is that Owen's first time? No. Get out of there. No. And now they can make lenses as perfect as glasses vision. You know what I mean? So that they so you can see as well. Before you couldn't see as well as glasses.
You're talking about what?
Contact. Yeah. But that's why they. Oh, is that in? But usually lenses are like $40, $50. It just cost me about $170, but that's not bad for 2 glasses.
For 2 contact lenses?
No, that's for 2 pairs of glasses, one prescription, one sunglass and one regular. I've had these for 7 years.
I really don't. Jimmy had a
What are you doing?
corner over there, but I don't know. Is that kosher? Are you going to get him? Can he go to the bathroom and behind you?
I'm looking for Patty.
Dear Patrick,
Happy birthday to you.
A wish! Did you make a wish? Yay! Did you make a wish? Yay! All right, who wants cake? All right, who's going to take this picture while he cuts?
I will.
I'm not. No. Edmund?
Carrie.
Take a picture while he cuts the cake?
The birthday boy cuts the cake.
Is it all focused?
I don't think. It just was. It might be.
It's focused. You gotta be 3 feet away.
Smile. Take me.
Take a picture. Patrick, look at me.
Kyle, move back, honey, so
I
that
think
it's
it's frozen.
Get me in a Kyle.
It's still frozen. We need the sun.
I'll take another one.
Oh, no, it's not. It's not.
Hey, make it
Okay,
fast.
We don't have
Dad.
dishes. Oh, we do have dishes.
Thank you.
Okay, give him a piece of cake and call it a day.
Yeah, the presents after we eat, okay?
Patrick, look at me.
Or... Sure.
Cake. Patrick.
Give me a hunk of that cake, please.
Bobby, it's over there, Margie.
This is from Owen and Kyle.
Good cake.
Well, it's good pie.
All right, sit down.
Wait a minute, we didn't finish Bobby and Margaret.
Wait, no, don't open that one yet.
All right, I don't care what it is.
I think we'll make it very good soon.
Cake. It will. You just want to open it. I'll help you open it.
Let me open it.
A soccer ball!
Wow.
We wanted to see if he could figure that out.
You don't know. You probably say basketball.
Let me move the cake before you ask the question.
A basketball.
How's this open? Oh, read the
I'll
directions.
hold that for you.
It's backwards.
Three.
No, I moved up to the stage of that one. Oh, you know, that's usually how it
Say
goes.
that
I have
you
too many
want
brains up
Margie,
there.
Kyle, and Owen.
Play soccer, everybody.
Oh, I know.
All right, John,
Didn't spell.
get a close-up on you eating.
Everybody.
What's that?
Your
Tell us
ice
how
cream.
that food tastes.
I'll wait.
Ooh, look at that.
It's kind of small, Dad. You want ice cream?
Jimmy, shut up.
Yeah, here's one also.
Wow.
Well, there's a lot of people out here. We
Who's
don't know.
that from? I'd like to know as we open. That from Margaret?
Who else? Who else?
Thank you.
Susie, cut me, please.
Sure.
I'll have a piece of cake.
Susie, could you cut me, please?
Oh,
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
so much is a beautiful
Oh, here's one
wrapper.
already,
Here's another
Karen.
present. Oh, there's some more here. That's it.
Leave the shirt over there.
Which camera is that? Who asked
Mine.
for that going?
Oh, look at that. No, I want ice cream. I want ice cream.
Oh, here's
I want
this
ice
cake.
cream. Let's see what it is.
Oh, nice.
Stop laying down. You're stopping the camera.
Why, I think it's frisbee.
Look at
the
the
beach.
beach.
Oh, Mickey.
All right.
So
Is
I'll
that
have
for
that
you
one.
too, Brendan? Thank
I'll
you.
put it down here.
Who else wanted a piece of cake?
Me.
Another cake and ice cream?
Susie, me, please.
Bobby, sit up beside you. Back.
Yay!
Morning. Owen McDonald's day off. Ha!
All the chickens are in the house.
I don't know if it's...
It's too much.
You want some cake, honey?
Pat, stand by your scooter. I'll take your picture. Go over by the scooter.
Yeah, right.
I've done at least 2,080 pounds.
You don't want it?
I've had so many parties in my entire life, and I never wanted to have another piece of cake. Give me. Second.
No, but you know these...
Who
did
did
you
this?
taste the
Is
cake?
this carrot?
No, it's slipping right off the thing.
We still got the other cake left.
This is good. I like this, the frozen one.
Yeah.
When's your birthday, Dad?
Anybody whose
October.
birthday is in August is in tough shape.
What the?
What is it? What is
It's a
it?
baseball game.
Pitching. It pitches the ball.
Ooh.
It catches too, Timmy?
Doesn't pitch it, so.
What does it do?
Pops
I
it
mean,
up
not
to
pitch
your
it.
head.
You know what I mean. Pops it up.
What is this called? What is it?
It seems to hang on the side there.
Here's the
I had it on before.
Let me see the balls.
Oh, it's up there.
Attach the baseball holder.
See, put the ball in there, you step on it.
Jimmy, bend down a minute, honey, so I can get him holding the bat or something. Okay, well, we're not playing in the house, are we?
Call an ambulance.
What do you say to Timmy and Colleen?
That's what me and Colleen. Happy birthday.
Uncle Timmy and Aunt
It's like
Colleen.
a toilet. I should have got the one that pops it way up, about 12 feet. Let me position you right here. We'll put you right here.
Now watch the ball, Pat.
Hold it down. Step on it. And then you pick your foot up.
Pick your foot up.
All right.
Nice. You got a good.
Why you hit him?
You're not there with heel of a Patrick.
Step
Don't
on
forget
it.
your cousin Jimmy you want to turn.
That's wonderful cousin.
That's right.
Thinks it's a gas pedal.
Okay, off.
Woo! You were out with Wade Boggs last night, weren't you?
You guys are standing right in the line of fire here.
It's all right.
It was Patrick Barrett, not Marty Barrett.
It's a cloth ball.
Oh! Maybe we'll put it in front of you a little bit more. You just line up. You just get ready. You just stand there. You just be ready. Get that swing down. You got it. There you go.
Jimmy,
Keep that foot planted. You don't
stand to
want
the
to
side and start. Ready? Oh!
What a cut.
He hit himself in the head.
Thank you, baby.
We had his birthday party for 5 minutes, then it poured, so we had to run in the house.
And Claire, as soon as we
I
got
was
off the
gonna
phone,
invite
she
your
got up.
kids, but it was so
We sat there.
the
I'm
weather
hinting.
stunned.
Geez, I got all my
Oh,
bag
you
here
weren't.
in the
I
car.
didn't
Why
see
don't we
ya.
just, I can go down and grab a few officers and he said, do you want to get your drive yet? You know, nothing else ever happened. You know, I'm like, it's the car's just. Watch it. Whoa! Ooh, little piece on that one, huh?
You watch Timmy. Don't hit Timmy with the bat.
You hit
Either
me with
Timmy.
the bat.
Either Timmy. Off.
Oh!
You're out! Oh!
Did he hit it yet?
Yeah.
You hit one. Oh, 4 years from
No,
now.
let him. That's the purpose of it. So we can, go ahead. You'll get your turn. I know you're itchy, Jim.
Hey, I'm gonna have to go out and buy one of those.
Right, person.
Too close!
Anyway.
On himself.
You did good striking out, Patrick.
Get that foot. Dig that foot in there. Don't put that back. Get that back foot planted.
Off quick now. Be ready. Oh. Let Jimmy take a hit. Let Jimmy take a hit, Pat, all right?
Timmy, it was bigger. It was,
Oh,
Now get out, get away
But
from
mine's
that,
back.
Jimmy, because he might hit you with the bat.
yeah,
What's
you
Jimmy doing?
This guy's a slammer.
He's just... It's all right. Throwing a slider, that's all.
It's a cloth ball, Jimmy.
So it was a real one. You would have blocked.
There's a wiffle ball.
Routine out.
You're out.
Routine
Next
out.
batter.
Try the wiffle ball. See
I
if
think
it
it's
goes
too
back.
big. No, no.
All right, let me just check.
No, it don't. Routine out.
balls come with it?
Two.
Don't hit me.
Oh,
All
mackerel.
right, now go get it.
That's why you got a rag ball.
Woo! That's a hit.
You need an outfielder. You need an outfielder.
Yeah, you're the outfielder.
Pat, okay, get back. Let Timmy get it.
Woo! There you go, Patrick.
Hello, Mother. How are you today?
I thought I was on
we got
film.
a
Did you hit
camera.
my
We can
behind
show
again?
these.
No, I wasn't your way.
Good.
Okay, get your foot up. Practice makes perfect.
No, I don't
Give your
have.
buddy a try there.
Patrick, let Timmy bat.
Give Tim a shot. Give Nicole a try.
Nicole a shot, though, yeah.
Is that something new? I've never seen that.
Patrick.
Whoa!
Oh, it's a hit! Jim Rizzuti, everybody's thought it's a... Good thing it's Fisher Price.
Stop it!
What?
Stop it! You're in the bag.
You're right.
No,
Here, Colin, throw it in the thing. Colin, you can get a shot next.
Eddie's getting the other ball. You might as well get them both dirty.
I
don't want you dancing.
We're ready. Now.
What are you doing?
Now.
Here's the other one.
Just the other ball.
Time limit expired.
Catch that.
What is it?
Come on, step on the pedal.
Step on it.
Put it in the squad.
So I'd focus now because
Jimmy.
it's already in there, so.
No, I know that.
Oh, all right.
Not too good. Am I off? Yeah!
You can stay if you want.
Let me stay. Hey, get back.
Get back.
There's another ball in there.
I heard she lied.
Excuse me, everybody.
Get back. Get
She
back.
wants to sign autographs already?
All right. 1,
No.
2, 3, step.
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 Don't hit me.
Oh, I missed it.
You see him, Mom?
In the machine, in the machine.
No. Wait till I do it.
Too quick. Bye.
No, Jimmy.
Ground ball to touch. That's a Tim. Second base. Oh, nice throw. Nice.
Have a turn. Come on. Go.
Come on, Karen, you can do the easy.
Yeah, you can.
Here comes the kid with the scooter.
Down, sounds
Don't go on the ball field. Go around there. Hey, go on this side of the table.
We get the pitcher with a beer in his hand.
Colleen's up.
I only play one hand.
I feel for you. Oh!
Oh, that's right, that's gone. Not a catch. Save the game for the Sox.
Definitely.
You're out of there, kid.
That was a good shot, too.
That was good.
How did I just switch up?
This ain't exactly the place to ride that, Patrick.
I got a bicycle for my birthday.
Go out on the main track, Pat.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, come out here. Want to try it on the street?
She's ready again. Come on, look out.
What do you mean no?
Whoa!
Base. Oh, we got a whipper. We got watch Patrick. Watch Jimmy's head. Ready?
I got the ugly second baseman right here. Right here.
Woo!
Right there. Ugly second baseman, wanna look? Okay.
Autographs after the game.
Long out.
What a
He's
kid.
not a ham. I don't want no pitches. No pitches. I'm watching.
Thank you.
Whoop! Get it in
Routine.
a row.
There's a dry routine fly.
All right, who's up to it?
Okay, Karen.
Karen, Terry.
Carry your turn.
No, I'm not gonna know.
Nicole.
Good.
I don't know.
Nicole, what's up? You want to try it?
One quick hit, Nicole, then you're up, all right?
All right, well, now you're going to be on the back.
You
No
have to
good
show how
pitch.
to bat.
Oh, I get soft.
Step on it hard. Step on that.
Like you're kicking your brother.
Hey, that was good.
Ready?
Oh!
Okay, do it again. Good. Yep.
Oh!
I'll help you. Ready?
Go, it's no time.
That's what I have.
Get the runners.
Boy.
Oh!
Oh, sure, sir.
She wants to hit it.
When he sees the camera, he stops his pose.
Oh.
Step on that.
Okay?
Karen,
I think Paul needs a few big.
Don't turn red now. Don't turn red.
Everybody rest go there.
Second base. Second base. Come on. Jeez.
whoa, she hit it again.
I liked it.
What do we got, Atkins?
How was it? Let Daddy try it. Let Daddy try it. It's awful wet, huh? Slippery? Too much weight.
Eddie, there's a weight limit on that.
Oh, I know. You can't hold that back.
Ground
I
ball.
don't trust that thing either.
What are you there? Chewing tobacco? You're really getting into the game there. Get some chew.
Said she won't hit the ball. I said, well, go up with the big.
Ring toss.
Here comes Patrick on the scooter.
Let me tie your shoe. Yeah.
That's good. It's no good here.
Sit down.
Then it got...
Yeah, he's a left.
Very grandpa.
He's going the wrong way.
That's right, he is a left.
You gotta hit it to us.
Oh, really?
Home run.
Hit the cutoff. Hit the cutoff. We always breathe, Fun for all ages. It did say 4 and up, but I think we're overdoing it now.
Whoa! Oh, God!
Hit the camera. Let's do it.
You got the field?
Whoa!
Oh!
2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Karate chop, no leg. You need the directions down there in the box.
That's gone. That's
Watch it, you gotta run up.
Oh my God! Don't embarrass me.
Ready?
Your relation
Get
in
in that position.
Stop it. Give him encouragement.
Wait for that ball. Here it comes.
He's out.
Come on, Ed.
He's got the sock shirt on.
He hit right. Yeah, he's
Whoa, it's a
got
spinner.
show.
Tipper.
Tipper.
That was a tipper.
There it is. Drops in. A little flip. No, nice catch. Brother Tim runs in to help.
I wouldn't.
Fire it in there, Tim. Fire it in there.
Whose cigarette is that?
Eddie's.
Okay.
Look, I'm close.
You think I would
I
put
would
this?
not allow my children.
Get the shovel, you did holes.
Whoa.
Hit your cut off. Oh, what a throw.
That's it.
It's in the trees.
It's in the trees.
In motion. He dives. He pulls down.
Oh, Nicole's a supersized bag just in case. Put a walk head. Going up the cat in the scooter.
Oh, what? You need a camera to do it? Oh, gee, I thought you wanted a camera. All right.
Yeah, who gave you that?
Careful. All right, do something. Careful. Go.
But we'll be back. Yeah, Jim. Just be like at home. You can have your own room. Have Nintendo. Stay up as late as you want. Come on.
Oh, he's riding that.
Yes,
Tell you honestly, where's Ellen? He's been so homesick. I really think he should go home.
He's not home.
You just don't want him home.
No, I want him home. I know
He's
him.
been homesick.
No, he hasn't been. He wouldn't stay yet. He's a baby. I know him.
You mean he really wants to stay? Well, let him stay. He got a whole room.
Jim, all right, let's honestly talk about this.
Carrie, we shouting it out of here.
Do you want to stay?
You're out of the
or
game.
Do you want to come home?
If you don't beat up my son.
Now, Timmy, do you think you should stay here? Or do you think you should come home tonight and make me babysit him for the rest of the week.
Oh, you could.
Well, if he has a gamma.
Thank you, Nana. Could you say that to the camera?
She's hanging out, huh? And who's this with the uniform on there? Where's that at? Rhode Island, man? Yeah, the War College?
The War College. That's with the dog.
You can see how these are in order.
That's when 8 and Molly.
Jimmy's graduating, I'm graduating.
You and Molly.
Come on, I got it on. 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Could be.
There it is, right there.
I mean, I don't want to get in front of her.
Oh, that's all right.
Anybody in here?
No, I get back to you.
Excuse me.
Why was going in this lady?
You're on the gravy detail.
We're pretty well organized. We really are.
2 streets down, take a left.
Which bar?
Going on that way?
Yes, you know, I don't want to.
We've been waiting for you by the camera. Hi.
Easy, Jim.
Evening, Pat. Chopping the potatoes. Mom, fill my potatoes. Tim, you usually give a little speech.
We have got one for you.
There.
You have to look. You look like a goalie.
Are you coming with me? Warm in the bed. I didn't do anything.
Well, there's some, I doubt it.
Are they 10 for 13 or 9.5? I have to get everybody.
I didn't know you were coming with me. I looked at the TV this morning and
I'm going over tomorrow because I have to go buy some more dolls.
What are you gonna
I'm on a crusade to get them adopted.
Hey, Nate! Hey, look at me!
Who's that little boy? And here she is again.
Tim. Ellen,
Do you want to hear that story again, Ellen? Green leather jacket?
Not about the other, no. I just want everybody's face before they...
Who's making tea?
Season is over.
Who's making tea?
Just 1 minute.
I don't know, but it's
I know.
gonna be a long
Who's
wait.
Thanksgiving.
Turn around, you witch.
Well, that's all right. I'll give him a call.
Yeah. Come on here, Tim. Do it.
Oh, this is a squeaky.
Hey.
Well, I have enjoyed the most delicious meal at Allen's.
Oh, yeah.
Really enjoyed it. Lovely, lovely meal.
Tell us a special moment of this day.
Who bought the ticket? I didn't buy the ticket. Who bought the ticket?
I didn't buy the tickets.
Eddie, did you buy the ticket? Susan, did you buy the ticket?
Which ticket there?
Ellen?
I didn't buy the tickets. I thought you bought the ticket.
Hey, just me.
The ticket?
Did you buy the ticket?
Steve?
Lady in the office.
Did you buy the ticket? I didn't buy the ticket. Did you buy the ticket? Who bought the ticket?
Hi, guys. Merry Christmas. He's around. Where is he?
Any jewels, Mr. Oates? Any jewels? Christmas gift.
Let's say it with you.
The only little guys come in my house.
Yeah.
Look at this kid. Let's get the style of basketball. Any jewel?
Put it down on the phone. Go to the truck, you know. I thank you for coming.
What's the cover this?
How about we are family?
Hey, you don't have to focus on right? It's automatic.
Oh, this is done?
To help you save money on your homeowners insurance, because I know I'm a homeowner too.
Well, this is all right. Yeah, I gotta say, it's tape, right?
Hello, Lisa. Hi, Lisa.
But you have to pay attention. Girl down the street moved there, Joyce Monfiona.
And this is my uncle.
40,000, you can buy a beautiful
My
house.
father, Sal. My grandfather, Jim. My Uncle John. My grandma,
My
Nina.
lovely grandmother.
Grandma. Mary, Steve, and
Is that on?
Ugly Timmy.
Are you taking?
Yes, it's on. And his Sal, and the plants, and the reasons. Of course, my awesome chocolate.
So throw it. Timmy.
Jesus crossfire.
Timmy had also said that he was a mailman.
I put something down. I cheat. Oh my God, look at her with all the balls. Jimmy, no. You help her to cheat. Oh my God, like It's got that on videotape. That's Johnny and Betty. to leave it on. He doesn't listen. How you doing?
Good thing for those quick camcorders, huh? This is for Jimmy. We're gonna send this to James, our brother out in Arizona. This is so Dad doesn't feel uncomfortable with his shirt.
Okay, Phil. Thank you. I gotta get his daddy's shirt.
Back to Tucson.
I don't know if this is. I think I need glasses.
Where is he? Did he climb the wall?
Oh, you got a nice little one.
Yeah.
How did the pickup go, Colleen?
Happy birthday.
I think my nephew's
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Really?
Yeah, he's been, I couldn't be
my own.
Red light's going.
Pull that out and twist it around.
They were all outside with the kids freezing.
No, not that far.
I remembered you.
Sorry.
No,
Oh, I can do it.
Ian told me they were coming in at 2:35.
That has to go in and lock over that.
2:13. So.
Twist it.
Yeah. No, it wasn't too
Waiting.
bad. Yeah, it wasn't too
All
bad.
right, turn this.
What's the focus?
We hit awful traffic
Oh, this is pretty neato.
He was coming from where?
from Orlando. I went to Disney with the kids.
So it's warm there?
Yeah, I think he
So
said it was
we would've-
85 when they left.
So we would have felt as cool today.
Doesn't have autofocus?
But they had a great time.
Oh, there it is.
Nobody wants to be videoed.
Carrie, here we are, the family all together. You'll be leaving for school shortly.
College girl, turn around, college girl. Tell us about you.
Shake your body. Colleen, here we are on video.
Maybe that's your bad side. You better turn around, Carrie.
Get away from me.
Zoomed right in on the zinger.
I mean, it could have been Gray's dad
Bob, you have anything to say?
going on. I mean, we did not know what was going on.
They'll talk of Coughlin family
Oh,
today.
he is. Grandma,
You couldn't
you're at the door, but you need the back.
Do you want me to tell you again? Get lost.
Purple Mountain's Majesty? Is that what you do right there in the video?
Being home from Arizona, Ma, how does it feel?
Well, I got bronx with a cold.
You got what?
I'm just recovering. And I'm not feeling grand.
don't get along with each other. You have to be
Do
careful.
you have anything to say to Jimmy? We're going to send him this tape.
You're not gonna send me.
I'll stick my friends the other way.
I spoke to Jimmy this morning.
My friend was going to another wedding.
But,
and she said,
you
like,
can
no one
take
else
a lot
did
from
so
me.
and so. We don't speak to each other in the same. Imagine being in a situation.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Hey, Patrick! Patrick!
No, I can see that I'm on my right eye.
Nice.
Are we Eddie Ray on the Amber case?
Is it?
Yeah, okay. Hey, Dad.
What?
Come out here. Lina. John.
Kumbaya, my lord.
Oh,
Happy to you. Happy birthday. What a voice, huh? Happy birthday, dear Dad.
Come on, Dad, brother.
Happy birthday to you. Yay.
now I'm 74.
Wait a second, don't, wait,
They want, oh, Susie's getting a camera, don't blow it yet.
wait, I was in there yapping. Okay, I'm ready.
How old are you now? How old are you?
73.
What do I look like in candlelight?
I know, they're not gonna come out that good in the dark. Where'd you get your little
Wow, I look
camera?
like out of space galaxy.
Turn on the lights for a picture.
R.S. Puro.
I'll have two of each.
The cake's gonna like go up the flame.
Can I blow them
It's gonna be
out?
all wax. Blow 'em out.
Wow.
Those fake candles, watch this.
Because I want a picture of this picture.
I didn't do it.
Two blasts, it's a.
They gotta
Yay!
Pretty good.
I don't know. Okay.
we got the replay.
All right. Wow, did I age a year in a week?
Time for another anniversary trip. Ready for the anniversary trip? The birthday trip!
Where are we sending it?
John, the envelope, please.
More tickets?
You got the ticket? You forgot the ticket?
smoke.
Did you get the ticket?
How much of the 10,000?
We're gonna
I
fly
say
out.
about 5.
Yeah.
Is that it? I'm leaving.
5 or 6, right? Won't you?
Yeah, I think that's.
Cut this shit.
Oh, and
Yeah.
How many do we need?
I'll just have a small piece. Jimmy!
James Anthony.
his name is not James.
Victor. My name is Victor.
How you doing, Jimmy?
Good. Are you moving back yet?
Good, I heard.
When? Oh, really?
How did I spell it out?
Why you hate it?
Yeah.
See, I want to eat
I have some books that I can find.
Oh, it's white cake.
Try.
White cake.
What, to put the cake on?
Bought it. I just bought it.
I'll check it out.
You don't hold it by the end, the end goes back.
See what it says on the box? For basketball.
Designed by Will Chamberlain.
Mini Tondusi.
Kerry, what's your major? French? Get over here.
He also got you a job down at Fox. That's why.
Thank you, kids. Thank you, thank you.
What's wrong with that?
Rapid? Hang meals? Are you filming?
Yeah. I want to love Heck, get out of here.
No, you asked for 45 minutes.
Looking the way I should look.
So you do this in like about the same time.
That's about all it
That's pretty cool.
Thank you. All the eight
Except for my size, it didn't work. Get it?
Thank you very much.
That's okay, so that.
Just spit on me and I'll kill you.
Hey.
Who's winning?
Hold on.
I got him.
Get out of here. Hey. Where is he?
Right over there.
Grandma! Grandma! He goes smiling. Grandma! He wants the bear.
Just so Nanny freezer.
Eat the bear.
What?
You see last freezer now, you should go back. Did you turn on the printer?
Well, you missed it.
I'm zooming in on you, Sue.
Jimmy, turn off the camera.
Sorry.
There we go.
Very nice.
1992.
I thought it would be back, but
Is it on?
You free
Not
out?
at my house. You took it.
No, I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't.
You took it, Mary.
I didn't take it.
Oh, Ma took it.
Ma took it.
There, you took it that day.
I did not take it.
What is it?
Mary, I'm telling you. You left
Well,
it.
I wouldn't have taken it. I don't want to speak to you.
Talk to Ma. I think she took it that day.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, maybe she took
What is it?
Her dress, she's all like
Hey Ed, how you doing? I didn't even say hello to you, did I? Mother?
potatoes.
Mother? Just turn to me for a second.
Is that with any or without any?
What is that?
I missed it, Sean. You're gonna have to do it again.
You know you're gonna have to do it.
Yellow.
I think it's good. Tim thinks it's good. Anytime you know Colleen's house. I had to write that prayer down.
That's how it's supposed to work. See, that's the real one, too.
That's right, so we know.
It's a little bit.
Daddy's in the bathroom, Sean.
Susie, sit down.
This is the potato.
I forget what it was.
Sure.
Oh.
How about the mass? What are the masses? 6:30, 7:30.
That was Grandpa in his house.
Hey, Crane boy. Does Ellen know he's out there? Ellen, you out there?
Yeah.
On and then the red button?
Yeah.
You remember the picture of the family?
It's taping?
Press this thing if you want to just stop it. Every film I have in my life has one of my children.
What do you teach
flipping the
these
bird.
children? Jimmy did it at the party. The picture
And if you
of...
press the red button, it'll just stop, stand by.
Wasn't it?
Mother, Thanksgiving. Say a few words.
It was you with Kramer.
Oh, beautiful, oh, spacious. Is that what I do?
A Thanksgiving
On
song?
camera.
You always ask why you act like this.
I know.
Like you're in your cup.
Susan, rumor has it you've been in your new house a year. How do you feel about that?
I feel fine.
As we pan out to Ellen,
Fix it up nicely. Hopefully it'll be done in 2 weeks.
where's Christmas going to be this year, everybody?
At my house.
At Annie's, if she's able.
At Ellen's house. Christmas at Ellen's.
At Annie's.
What?
Mary's going to have Hanukkah. Rumor has it Hanukkah is at Mary's house.
Post Christmas at my house. Don't put it on.
Lucy, Annie, and Marnie, don't you remember?
You can't touch that.
I didn't.
And Tristan.
All right.
You want more beer?
No, Dad, I gotta go home.
Get closer.
When your glasses up? Google's.
Can you see us, Cal?
You got me?
Yeah, I got you.
I'm about 4.
Are we supposed to
It's on
speak now?
25.
If you would like to.
Well, it's been
I
a
can't
long
see.
day, but a happy
Where's
day.
it from, man?
It's
Happy
winding
Thanksgiving.
down. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Pat, get out of here.
Sean, do you have something to say?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Good luck to everyone's thyroids.
Who's got a thyroid?
Let's not get back on subject of the health.
You're better?
Yeah.
Come on, that was on film.
No, it wasn't.
Say it again.
Mary. I said her pussy was frozen and she had a...
Warm it up.
She was like...
Get your grandfather. I don't think I have him on
You're
tape.
selling perfume, and I had heard them. You smell perfume all over the place.
Candy of the New York Times.
Well, I only wrote one about, look through the keyhole and see.
Throw a sardine.
Grandpa, look at me.
Yeah, she was late.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
Good. Ma, grab me my
Bobby started this.
That's funny.
All right, this time you can look out.
British or English?
Jim,
That's different.
Two.
Jimmy. Yeah? Grab me my pocketbook. 1 second.
Thanks. We can go home and watch.
Hey, get out of here.
That's all, if you don't like it, shut it off.
This is
Jimmy.
documents.
What? Can you grab me my pocketbook?
You don't use your own?
Oh, Mary.
You don't have to use it. You don't have to
Yeah, right?
Like that. This is just the run
If you want to
comparing
get
ours to
something more
ours.
fun, I have another idea.
It's a state
You
law.
want me to get it and you...
It's not a law, it's a Christian law. And applicant print.
No, you always say you're getting these electronic, like your drawings.
And when I send this in, this guy's gonna call you back.
If I get it, I'll just get it.
Don't you have it?
Thieves with crooks who don't pay off.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Better roll and tape, ma, don't worry.
All right, I need my...
It'll be there about 1
Take a break,
2 hours
mine
to get home. I'm 2 hours away from the airport.
Mom's signing something like that. Do not know what it is, though. Something she's signing. On the cover, we're going in a little closer.
No change.
Oh, just walk into a pole.
Now that would depend on the kids too.
Something to do with the family. We don't know. Can I zoom in a little bit closer? Nice
Life insurance.
Nice butt, Timmy. Nice butt. Oh, it's life insurance.
No, I know. But see, Sean won't be here.
Jono!
He won't be here, so this has to be
Videoing you.
Push him here back where? Push him back, push him back. Where? Get your sneakers, we'll leave them. Have another stop.
She started to talk all the way down to it, didn't she? Like I usually done.
It can be gas. Yeah, it really can be gas.
I tried to give her some for gas, she wouldn't take it.
That's a slick camera.
Oh. We asked that question.
I told you to shut that off.
Oh, shut your mouth, the rice.
This is on tape.
Here you'll see how she looks when she's mad. Look at her eyes.
Wait, so that. We all weird sleeper. See? Little ankle.
Stop it.